Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. Please ignore what's going on in the background. I'm almost done with my guest room, which is my filming room. But I'm very excited. I'm gonna make a video about it, so don't look over there. Don't look over there. Today I wanted to sit down and do a tutorial on how to do a true cat eye, winged eye. I'm not sure what exactly to call it, but it's just a very sultry, sexy cat eye look. And it's one of my favorite things. Before we get started with the tutorial, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. We hit my goal of 130 subscribers, and I did a little video with my sister to celebrate, and it'll be somewhere around here. I had a lot of fun filming with her, and we're definitely gonna do it again. Let's get started. First thing, at least for me, I don't like to do my lashes because I feel like it gets in the way of me using my liner. For this, you're gonna need like a pencil black eyeliner, and then black liquid eyeliner. I do use two different ones just to switch in between the two when they dry out, and some black eyeshadow and a blending brush. I'm gonna bring you a little bit close, just a tiny bit, just tiny. There we go. So first thing I'm gonna do, which is gonna help make it easier for the both of us, is to line my waterline up top and line my waterline up down here as well with the black liner, of course. I did put a little bit of eyeshadow on. I did it because I wanted to add some dimension to my eyelids. So I did the black eyeliner on the upper waterline and the lower waterline, and you want to line all of it, not go halfway or anything, just line your whole eye. And then we are going to start with a simple wing. Looking down at a mirror is the best way to do this part. Try to make the line as thin as you possibly can, and then do your wing. Alright, so once you have your wings, like you usually do them, now for the fun part, we are going to do the inner corners black. Slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady. There's no rush. You just want to follow the natural curves of your eye. So what I like to do is make sure the tippity tip is the only thing that's touching my inner corner. You just want to drag it to meet up with your waterline that you did earlier. And you can stop whenever you want. I'm gonna stop right now. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, but I know I'm gonna mess up on this side, so just keep it small and I'll come back. I messed up a little bit, so I'm just gonna take an angled brush. It's my spit, so it's fine. There we go, like it never happened. I'm just taking the pencil liner and gently going over it just to darken the black up a little bit. Once you're happy with your inner corner, you can stop right there if you want and put on some mascara. But if you want to add a little bit more drama, you can use black eyeshadow as well. This goes up in difficulty a little bit just because it's black eyeshadow and there can be fallout. If you do have setting powder, it's a great idea to put some under your eyes so that way you can just sweep the fallout off. I'm not doing it too close to my waterline since that is where I'm going to put the black. So I'm just putting it under where the black is going to fall. There we go, nothing too crazy, right? I know I'm so annoying, but slow and steady. You're gonna take a small brush you're comfortable with. I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm gonna put a little bit of black on it. Depending on how much pigment your black gives you, just add more or take some off. I'm gonna tap some off because this one's very pigmented. Then you're gonna look like this. That way you can get as close to your waterline as possible with the black and just smudge that on there. Just do till where you're like happy with it. So I have it a little bit thicker here and then going smaller towards the inner corner. Just so that way we don't completely close my eye up. And what you can do too to soften up this clean line, it's a little bit harsh, you can take that black eyeshadow on the same brush and just kind of smudge it a bit. Now this is up to you completely, but I thought I'd show this one too. Alright everyone, this is the finished look. After I smoked out the black eyeshadow, I then just curled my lashes and put on some mascara, and look at that, we're done. And I feel so beautiful, I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I kept it short and sweet. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd be very happy to answer your questions and just talk to you. That's all for this week's video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.